Are you an amateur or professional athlete and you've kind of maxed out on your performance? You're probably training, you have a trainer, you have a dietitian, you have a nutritionist. Who's your sleep doctor? Are you getting enough sleep? Are you getting quality sleep? Even if you're in good shape and you're an athlete, you may have underlying sleep apnea, especially if you snore. And unless you treat that, your performance is going to plateau and you will never improve it. Come to BlueSleep. We'll send you a home sleep test. Looks like this. Put it on your finger, connects to an app on your phone, and if you do have sleep apnea, we'll treat you, and likely your performance will improve at BlueSleep.